In this video, I'll show you how you can use the text-to-image AI generator on Canva. What you want to do is just make a presentation, click on apps and select the magic media. In here, you can describe anything you want. So let's just say, I want a cat in the forest, and you can select what kind of style you want it to be. I'll just select minimalistic and then generate image. Now keep in mind you don't have unlimited generations. You have to purchase an upgrade to Canva Pro if you want that, but you have like 50 or something. So it's gonna generate some images, and as you can see, it is now done. So what you want to do is just select one of them, and you can see you now have it in here. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.